Hello, today we are going to solve the problem of the day from Leetcode. In this case, the problem is very simple. They are asking if we can form pairs within a vector in a way that each pair summed is divisible by k. Okay, this is very simple. The only thing that we need to know is that in order to have a pair of numbers which that they are divisible by k, the only condition that we need to have is this one: a plus b remainder k equals 0. That means that basically we can like group or classify our vector into the possible remainders against k, and then we need to validate first that for 0, because the numbers with remainder 0 can only form pairs with the remainders with 0, we need to check that this is the numbers of that are inside the array that have remainder 0 needs to be even, because in that way we can like split those numbers in pairs. And then we need to form groups with the next remainders, because for instance for this we need to check that the numbers with remainder 1 needs to be equal with the numbers that have remainder k minus 1, because in that way if we form groups with this and these numbers, then the sum will be divisible by k, and for that reason we need to check that for each possible pair that will be divisible by k, we have the same amount of numbers. Okay, then let's start the implementation. Rem for reminders, and we initialize the count with 0, and then we start traversing the array. But at the moment of classify the numbers against its remainder, because the numbers can be negative, then first we need to get the remainder, but then to prevent having negatives in this index, we are going to sum k again and then extract the remainder against k. In that way, if this gives us a negative number, that negative number will be less than k in absolute value. After we sum k, then we know that this number is already positive, and if we obtain the remainder again, basically it will be the same remainder, but instead of having a negative, we're going to have a positive number. And then we need to first validate the first condition, that the numbers with remainder 0 needs to be paired, and if it is not the case, then we need to return false. Then we need to check that for each possible pair, the numbers with k minus e is the same as the numbers with remainder e. But if not, that means that we cannot form these pairs. And if none of these conditions are achieved, then we already know that we can build these pairs. Okay, let's see if our implementation works. True, true, and false. Yeah, that's correct. Let's send it. Oops, sorry. Okay, it works. Let's submit it. Oh, we have a wrong answer here. Yeah, I have a typo here. This is not k minus 1, this is k minus e. Sorry. Oh. Okay, it's accepted and it's very good at runtime because this is linear, we are only traversing the array once. Yeah, I hope that the explanation is clear. If not, let me know in the comments. Thank you.